where to find a cool corner in the summer heat. The container pool, in the name of innovation, redefine your summer fun. The strong industrial wind and the soft beauty of the water were the perfect fusion for you to create an avant-garde and comfortable private water park. The unique shape, whether it is modern simplicity or retro style, can be easily handled and become a beautiful scenery line in your home. Easy installation, that is, enjoy the cool, no cumbersome civil construction, fast assembly design, so that you can have your own private pool in a short time. Start your own pool party, whether it's a family reunion, a gathering of friends, or a birthday celebration. A container pool is the perfect backdrop for your party. Let laughter and splashing into the most beautiful melody of summer. Do it now. Let the container pool be the highlight of your summer life and start an unusual cool journey. Inquire about ordering, enjoy exclusive offers, and make this summer different for you.